Let's make a cartoony dinosaur this time. To start, I'm going to make an oval and a triangular type shape where the body is going to be, and another triangular type shape for the tail, and another upside down triangle for where the leg might be, and a rectangle for where the foot might be. Now I'm going to take my darker color, go over my sketch lines, and make it more to the shape I want it to be. I'm going to curve the tail and connect it to the body. Bring it around. I'm going to curve that body to the leg. For the head, I'm just again going to curve it and make it attached to the body. Now the leg, I'm going to make kind of a sideways C, and then make the foot the same way and bring it up and around so it looks like the leg is coming out of the body. Now I can go in and add more details. I'm going to add a big eye right here with an eyelid, and there's the pupil. I'm going to color that in, leaving a little white spot for reflection. Add a semicircle to the back to look like the other eye. Now I can leave it like that, or I can make the eyelid and kind of color it in to make it look like the eye is there and you can actually see part of the eye. I'm going to add some nostrils. This nostril is inside the body. The other we're going to see from the top because it's on the other side of the face. I'm going to add a mouth. Make this dinosaur happy. And I'm going to add the other leg, a hint of the other leg. So I'm going to use that same leg shape, bring it around, come up for the foot, bring it back around and stop at the foot. So now it looks like that second leg shape is behind the dinosaur, on the other side of the dinosaur. The dinosaur is going to have some small arms, so I'm going to make two lines and an upside down U, connect that to the body, and now he's got fingers on his hand, tiny hands. I'm going to have the other arm coming out the side, so I'm going to make it the same way, just sideways. Now I can stop there, or I can go in and make some more details. Like maybe the dinosaur has a mohawk type of hair coming on the top of its head. It's just some kind of scribbled hair, scribbled lines up and down. Maybe it has some triangles going down its back and onto its tail. Put some on the legs too. And then some upside down C's for its toes. Can add some more curved shapes for eyebrows. And we'll call this dinosaur done.